Hi, I'm Luigi Gentile. I'm the creative director of Bespoke, located in the D&D building in New York City. We build custom upholstery, case goods. We also have a line of fabrics. We manufacture at our own factory in Clifton, New Jersey, and everything is completely custom made. Everything starts basically with a concept. Oftentimes a designer will bring in a drawing, often a pretty crude drawing, not necessarily a very elaborate one. The way a general meeting with a client goes is the designer and their client will come in together. We may hand sketch something together. From there, we'll be able to bring it into CAD, and we do this pretty seamlessly and quickly. Then we project it onto our television. The client can sit and watch the process. We need the input of the designer and the client. We know how to design, but we don't know your lifestyle. So it is important that we know that maybe this room is going to be used by a teenager. So what are we going to put in there? No job is alike. So every time we go places, it's a completely new situation and a completely new job. Most companies that do what we do, they don't offer fabrics, right? So we do offer fabrics. However, it's not a requirement that you buy our fabric. You can buy fabric, wallpaper, vinyls, anywhere in the world and send it to us and we'll work with that. The advantage is that oftentimes you're here with your client, so you're able to pull out a wing sample, lay it on a piece of furniture and see what it will about look like. The next step is we take their drawing and we populate it with concepts, with their collaboration, of course. We do 3D animations and renderings, and we send it to them for their approval. That's only the beginning. Once we have a concept nailed down, the next step would be to make paper templates. And we bring these paper templates that are printed in full scale to the site, and we lay them on the ground to show clients how the room is really going to look. We even have the ability to do augmented reality through an iPad or a telephone. You can actually see the piece of furniture in the room, in the size, and it gives a real insight as to what the room will look like in real life. We start building after all these drawings and these templates are approved. We do everything at our factory. And that is a guarantee that the piece will look exactly as the concept. We handle the installation really anywhere in the world. We have a set of installers that will go there and assemble the pieces together. You can do a perfect job, but if it's not put together properly, the client is going to be disappointed. So that is extremely important. I've been doing it for over 30 years, and we have embraced technology immensely because that does help a lot. Technology has evolved, and that has enabled us to do things that were impossible to do just a few years ago.